What is new in your world, Kawa?
Let's have this one first.
What is it?
It's a Crayfish model
Yep.
in Evangelion Unit-02 Special Edition.
Evangelion Unit-02 Special Edition.
So it's basically a real-life Crayfish, but painted in like Unit 2's color palette.
In Unit 2 color palette.
Yeah. And this one is, so.
Oh, there's more in the series.
Yeah. So this model kit is from FUJIMI.
Yep.
Another like Japanese model kits brand. And so for this series, they are like trying to create the real life like models. Yeah. So for this one is like, as you can see, Crayfish. And so for this series, they're like aiming for like easy to assemble, so you don't actually need a nipper for assembling it up.
Oh, so you don't need nippers for this one?
Yeah. And if you really look into the parts, it's like,
I'm doing it backwards.
It's like really paints like all the details for the, very clear.
Oh, look at the color palette.
Yeah.
It is brilliant of the model itself.
Yeah, I know, right? And it's also very so what a real Crayfish can do, like the poses, so it can do as well.
Yeah, oh, really?
Yeah.
So it moves like a real crayfish.
Yeah. So it's very easy to pose it like for any angle from real life. Yeah.
I think we need you to do some stop motion for us.
Oh, I can. I can if you want.
Really?
Yeah.
I bet. That is fantastic. I love that. That is so cool. What else have you got there with you?
Okay, we have another. We have this one. Is from.
What is this guy?
It's from Bandai, but it's not a Gundam. It's from Macross Frontier.
Yes.
Another anime, and in this anime, like they're all having this like deformable jet to fight each other.
So they got a jet as well.
Yeah. So
there's two models in there.
No.
Or he transforms.
It transforms.
So you build it as a robot.
Yeah.
And it transforms into a jet.
Yeah.
Wow.
You can.
When I was a kid, we used to have an anime series called Transformers.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. So as you can see, it could deform from the airplane, from the jet. Oh.
Sorry, I'm just getting a bit of focus.
Yeah. So it can deform into like 3 different forms.
Oh.
Yeah. And we have another humanoid like this one. Yeah. So this scale is like 100, so it's like approximately 15 centimeters tall.
15 centimeters tall?
Yeah. And this one is. Can we open this?
Of course we can.
Yeah.
You're the boss. What have we got here?
Yeah, so one special panel, or I would say part, is this one. So it's a transparent part, but it's like pre-painted in a very beautifully pearl
finish.
Yeah. So it's so like having some different
like shimmer.
Yeah.
Like shimmer and shines.
Yeah. And for the decals, it's like this one is a really high quality decals. You don't actually need to buy any other extra decals for this kit.
Okay.
Yeah, it's very thin.
Yep.
But it covers, like for example, if we see the shield on the.
The shield, yep.
Yeah, the shield on.
And here, yeah.
Yeah. So the part of the shield is in red, but the decal is in white, and it covers the underneath very well, so you won't see the red underneath.
You won't see the red.
Yeah. Very, very good, high quality, and it has like special ball joint for both arms and legs, so you can do some like extreme angle poses if you want.
I'm just having a look now because I can see one of the ball joints just right in here.
Yeah.
And you can see just how it sounds about how round it is. And this is his hand, obviously, right? So you've got a lot of movement and articulation right here in the wrist joint.
Yeah. I would reckon Kobe would like this one.
You reckon Kobe would like this one?
Yeah.
Fantastic. I love it. I love it. That is awesome. Well, thank you for coming in today. And I know you've also been working on some social media content for us in Generation. And I love the spin that you put on it. So keep a lookout for that. Come in and see Kawa and come and grab some beautiful Gundams. And Bandai. Thank you very much, Kawa.
See ya.
Have a great day. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.